Hello, I'm Roger Scher. I'm an assistant professor of neurobiology at Stony Brook University.
And I'm Josh Dubnow. I'm a professor in the departments of neurobiology and anesthesiology.
And we're honored to be able to share with you today a brief description of the scientific research we are doing here at Stony Brook on disease mechanisms of ALS, and especially how the ALS Ride for Life has contributed to and helped to support this critical research mission right here on Long Island.
I moved my research lab to Stony Brook University in 2016, but my connection to the ALS Ride for Life actually began before that, while I was still at Cold Spring Harbor Lab. Together with our present collaborator at Cold Spring Harbor, Molly Hamill, I was working on fly models of ALS and on genomic analyses of human patients. And at that time, I had the incredible experience of meeting Chris and getting to know him a bit.
And so in summer of 2016, both of us independently, Josh and I, began working here at Stony Brook. We heard of each other, we got in touch, and we quickly realized that we could develop a strong interdisciplinary research program on ALS right here at Stony Brook. And so we got in contact with the ALS Ride for Life in order to see if there was anything that we could do as a new research collaboration to help the cause.
So Roger and I met several times with Chris, who we greatly miss, and we agreed to develop a research proposal for him to review on plans that we had to integrate our research on fly models of ALS, mouse models of ALS, and human neuron cell line research. The collaboration between Roger's group and mine follows up on the work that Molly and I did together at Cold Spring Harbor to investigate a novel mechanism that we propose to be at play in neurodegeneration generally and ALS in particular. Together, Roger and I have used the combination of fly and mouse animal models to investigate an idea that was originally identified in my lab at Cold Spring Harbor Lab. We are investigating the idea that ancient virus-like genetic elements that exist in our own DNA may become hyperactivated in ALS and other neurodegenerative diseases, including some dementias.
And this highlights the recent trend in neurodegeneration research around the world, showing that many diseases like ALS, Alzheimer's, dementias, and Parkinson's may in fact have some common mechanisms of initiation or spread of disease. And therefore our research may lead to discoveries in other fields, just as those fields help to inform our own research plans. My expertise in mouse research and cell culture, together with Josh's expertise in fly models, has led to a series of recent discoveries in our labs that support the hypothesis we set out to investigate. And it's leading to our continued work to see how these findings might eventually lead to clinical interventions. The funding over the past 3.5 years from the ALS Ride for Life, made possible by all your generous donations, has fueled this research. And we want to express our enormous gratitude and thanks for the support ALS Ride for Life has made in this Long Island neuroscience research effort.
We are continually amazed at the depth of love and support that exists in the ALS Ride for Life community. And we're both really proud and honored to be a part of this and to have funding from this locally grown community powerhouse. And I want to add that we both look forward to when we can sit in a room together with all of you instead of by this stilted, Zoom format.
And if anybody has any interest in learning more about our work here at Stony Brook, please get in touch with us. We'd love to follow up and to share more. Please take care, stay safe, and stay strong.